Welcome to Rosie Math. Today you are welcome. I'm so excited to meet us again. So today I'll be taking us on logarithm of numbers, part 2. We did our part 1 in our previous video. Today we'll be doing a part 2 continuation of the logarithm of numbers. In our last video we looked at characteristics, and today we'll continue from there. Remember, logarithm is another way of looking at your exponent or indices. Our main focus today will be on the common logarithm of numbers. Remember, I told us we have two types. We have the natural logarithm and we have the common logarithm. So today we'll be focusing on common logarithm of numbers. Common logarithm has two parts. One is the characteristics, that is the integer part. 2 is the mantissa, the decimal part. Note that logarithm of a common log can be written without the base, okay? So when you see a log without a base, note it is a common log and the base is 10, okay? So like I have it here, log n, without the base. The base is 10. It's a common log of base 10, okay? Okay, the second point to note is that common logarithm of a number less than 1 has a negative characteristics, okay? The characteristics is negative once the number is less than 1 under the common logarithm, okay? Check out the number once you're looking for the log of a number. Check out whether the number is less than 1. Once it is less than 1, its characteristics is negative. Okay, the third point I want us to note is that the characteristics of a number between 1 and 9.9999 under common logarithm is 0, okay, including 1 and 9.99999. So the characteristics is 0, okay. The fourth point to note here is that common logarithm of a number 10 or a number above 10, okay, has a positive characteristics. So when you have a number 10 or number above 10, its characteristics is positive. Okay, the fifth point is that mantissa of numbers, that is 2 or more numbers, can be the same if the digits are the same, okay? If the digits are the same, the mantissa can be the same. And the digits follow the same sequence, even though not the same place value, but the same sequence, okay? I'll give an instance now. Okay, here is an instance where you can have different numbers but the same mantissa. Okay, here I have log 34,060. Okay, that's the number of the first, and then the log is 4.5322. Okay, 4 is the integer part, and that is the characteristics, and then 0.5322 is the mantissa, the decimal part. Then the second one I have log 340.60. Okay, I have 2.5322. Okay, the characteristic is 2, the mantissa is t.5322. Okay, the third one I have log 3.4060 and I have 0.5322, the same mantissa, but the characteristics here is 0. So here we have the same mantissa, but the characteristics, which is what we use to determine the place value of the number, are not the same. The characteristics are not the same. So we can have numbers of the same mantissa, but not the same characteristics. So we use characteristics to determine the place value of our numbers. Okay, you can try other numbers yourself and see if you can generate 1001 numbers with the same mantissa but not the same. Okay, now let me show you how you can find logarithm of numbers. Okay, how you can find logarithm of numbers. Okay, let's find logarithm of 206.1. Solution. Okay, we have log 206.1. So we'll find the integer part first, and that is determined by the first significant figure, which is 200. So 200 is 2 times 100, and 100 is 2, okay, meaning that the integer is 2, okay. 2 is the integer, so we write 2 point, okay. Okay, now we know the integer part. Next is to find the mantissa, that is the decimal part. The decimal part, that is the mantissa, the decimal part. That I would like us, we can use calculator, we can as well use a table, but I want us to use table here. So I'm going to show you how it is on the table. Okay, here I have my table, and already I've marked everything needed for this number. The number given to us is 206.1. Okay, I go with the first two digits, which are 20, okay, 20. Okay, you can see it there. Then at that row, the next digit is 6. So I will go to 6 and then mark 6, okay. 20 on the 6, 20 on the 6, okay, 20 on the 6, which is 3139. Then the fourth digit is 1, okay. I'll still locate 20 on the 1 at the difference. The fourth digit goes to the difference, okay. So I have 2 there, so I'm going to add the difference to what I have on the 6, which is 3139. So if I add it to it, I'll have 3141, and that becomes my mantissa, okay. So let me write it out. Okay, now I have my integer part and decimal part. The integer part is 2, the decimal part is 3141. So let me put it the way it should be now. Now we have our answer. Log of 206.1 is 2.3141. Characteristics 2, mantissa 0.3141. And that is our final answer. Thank you.